Hello, everyone, and welcome. Have you ever dreamed of having your own online store, selling t-shirts with your designs, clever mugs, amazing posters, or even personalized backpacks? But the idea of having to buy inventory, manage printing, and deal with shipping holds you back? If the answer is yes, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to dive into the world of print on demand, and I'll show you step by step how to use Printful, one of the leading platforms in this sector, directly with your Shopify store. First, before everything, Printful is a print-on-demand platform that allows you to make designs for your products in your stores. It's important that you know what it is so that you can use it in your store. Now I'll teach you how to use it in your Shopify store. First of all, you need two things: a Shopify account and a Printful account in the browser. We search for Shopify. We enter the first option. Once it loads, we will click on Start for free. It will ask us to register. We can use a Google account, Apple, or even Facebook. Now, in this section, select the options that best suit your store. Now the plans will appear. Simply click on Skip. We already have the Shopify account created. Now touch the Printful account. Search for Printful in the browser. Click the first option. Click on the Register button in the upper right. Just like with Shopify, we can register with a Google account or Facebook. You will have to click the Register button. Here you will also have to click on the options that best suit your store. Once you have both, the first step is to connect them. It's surprisingly simple, right from your Shopify dashboard. Look under the App section in the left menu, then visit the Shopify App Store. Click the button that says Customize your store or visit the Shopify App Store. Search for Printful in the App Store search bar. You'll see the app. From Printful, click it and then click Add App. Authorize the Shopify connection. It will ask you to confirm that you want to install the app and the permissions it needs. Review it, click on Install App, connect with Printful, and you will be redirected to Printful. Here you'll have to log in with your Printful account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. Confirm a store. Printful will ask you to confirm the Shopify store you want to connect. Make sure it's the correct one, and that's it. Congratulations! Your two platforms are now talking to each other. This means that the products you create in Printful can be sent to Shopify, and the orders you receive in Shopify will be automatically sent to Printful for production and shipping. This is where the fun begins. Now let's create our first personalized product in Printful and get it ready to sell on Shopify. Go to your Printful dashboard, log in, and look for the Stores section in the left-hand menu. You should see your Shopify store listed. Add a product. Click on your store, then look for the big button that says Add Product. Choose your canvas. Printful will show you a huge catalog of base products: men's clothing, women's clothing, kids' clothing, accessories, home goods. Pick the one you want to customize. For this example, we're going to choose a classic t-shirt. The mock-up generator. This is where the design magic happens. Select colors and sizes. Choose which colors and sizes of the t-shirt you want to offer. You don't have to have them all. Think about your audience and upload your design. Click on Design, then Upload File. Upload your image, graphic logo. Make sure your file is high resolution and has a transparent background. I'm going to find a quick design for this one. Example. Once you have it, drag it over. Once it's fully uploaded, hit apply. Adjust and position. Drag your design onto the t-shirt, and you can resize it, rotate it, and place it exactly where you want it. Printful will let you know if the print quality might be low. Add text. You can also add text directly from the generator, choosing fonts. Don't forget the other sides. You can add designs to the back, sleeves, and even custom interior labels on some garments. View the previews to see how your final product will look. Save as template, add store. You have two options. Saving a template allows you to use this base design for other products later. But we want to sell it now, so we'll click Continue to add the store. Once your design is ready, it's time to submit it to your Shopify store and configure how it will look and how much it will cost. Choose your mockups. Printful will automatically generate images of your product. Choose the ones that best represent your design and brand. You can choose mockups with models, just the product, or even create your own. Edit the product details and title. Give it a catchy, descriptive name. Include keywords your customers would use. Description. This is where you sell. Describe the product, the design, quality, and feel. Use the Printful template as a base, but customize it with your brand voice. Tags help organize your store and improve internal SEO. Collections. Assign the product to relevant collections in your Shopify store. Set your prices. This is a crucial step. Printful costs. You'll see how much Printful charges you for the base product and printing that you're selling price. Now you need to decide what price you'll sell it for. The Printful cost, the shipping costs, the Shopify fees, your desired profit margin. Send to store. Review everything one last time and click Send to store. Wait a few seconds or minutes if you have many variants, and view your Shopify dashboard in the product section. You'll see a new creation ready to be purchased that you can make additional adjustments directly in Shopify if you need to, such as improving the SEO description or changing the images. Well, that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.